fighting with it sounds like let's go! Moving the bar and it goes Floro muna, checkpoint, black smooth Gawang minsan sama nga palagi Ang mitolohiya sa'yo maaari Yung song! You don't need no makeup Brown eye, check outside to this day A pretty, pretty lady Big bang doesn't make sense I see God, come on! Marina Do you believe me? Haven't felt so different till I looked in your eyes, till I future. But baby, love it. I wonder what your mom was in heaven when the car gets big coming from your best friend. It's 6 in my ears like, it's so place okay. Could you on a Friday? It's a children mind, there's another every part of the joy. Slow down, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Ibigin kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat isa ng matay ko walang brown eye, check it, baby, pretty, pretty lady. Nag-enjoy naman po ang lahat so far. You know what? Dahil tropa ko kayo ngayon dito, everyone. Meron ako sa inyo dalawang good news. And I'm proud of this, so good news number 1. Listen carefully. Good news number 1 is get ready for Neo and Dionella this year, everyone. That's one. And number two, for some reasons, marami nagka-question sa akin, marami nagtatanong sa akin, Dionella, bakit ka ganyan sumulat ng song? Bakit ka ganyan sumulat ng kanta? And that's okay. That's fine. Handa ako dun. Pero meron akong isang paboritong linya sa lahat ng sinulat ko. At ang sabi sa linya na yun ay, I see God in your face. I mean, Dionella, what do you mean by I see God in your face? Ang ibig sabihin po ng I see God in your face is, listen.